Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to stop talkback on Oppo phone, so how to stop talkback today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you have enabled talkback, and guys now friends you want to disable stop. So how to stop, friends you can see I am not operating guys my Oppo mobile, so how can I stop this setting? So we call it talkback. How to stop talkback guys, one by one, step by step we will talk about. First of all guys, use your two finger and guys swipe here with two finger. Friends, click on phone setting. Friends, use your two finger because guys one finger guys you cannot use your talkback setting, and you cannot stop your talkback with one finger. Use your two finger and friends click on your Oppo mobile phone setting guys, and friends double tap on phone setting. After on double tap friends click on Bluetooth setting. Friends, you can see connection setting, home screen, lock screen setting, and guys now you want to scroll your screen. So how to scroll? Again friends, use your two finger guys, any two finger you can use, but guys use your two finger, don't use one finger. Friends, you cannot swipe here, you cannot scroll, so use your two finger to stop talkback. Friends, click on one tap additional setting, and friends continue to tap on additional setting. Friends, you can see language setting, date and time setting, keyboard setting, accessibility. One tap on accessibility friends and double tap accessibility. Talkback setting friends, one tap, double tap, and friends double tap on talkback. Friends, click on stop button and double tap. So guys, your talkback will stop on your device, and friends now you can use your Oppo phone without talkback guys. So like that friends, we can stop talkback on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.